Oyo kabeire omomea imeye county ya Gusii ikale yamanyikanite buna Gusii County Council Samwel Kenani Omwando nera ni gabiri gati y'Abakenya abo bamutogiriye nyagusira Simeon Nyachae oyibabete bakoranera imirimo asubo ange asige kigetambe boigo ni gatebire buna ni gabarayi aho bagwenta kurigero uri mu bwikano ya nyagusira Nyachae abo kone kingo mu Gusingo cyaramo asamangana ayo Omwando ni gatebire buna korengana no korora kwaye Nyachae uyure ngo monogeri bwa Bagusii wikira bono Abagusii baranyora muntu ndibwe sokiri ora koremere mu bune iyo utatiga oyo kabeire omunakibi no mukoro omusike Maraga.
We have lost Omogaka Simeon Nyachae. Simeon Nyachae is a household name in Gusii. Nobody will mention Gusii without mentioning Omogaka Simeon Nyachae. Omogaka Simeon Nyachae is the perfect example yogatebanga ntobuate career civil servants who have been in the civil service right kurubodio up the ranks to DC, provincial commissioners, PS, and chief secretary. A very powerful position. In fact, Montorenge, between him and president, we can make a reference to. That was real power Nyachae had in this nation, and it is a bride of the Gusii people. He was also assumed to be the spokesperson of the Gusii people. Once he has spoken, that was it. But I want to ask Yabagusii Minto, we compose, we again retrace our steps, tochiamo munatuarenge. Ngo tumia libageri nkani abana ba minta bake banarete komamani ebintu bakorengera linga nabo baratake nabo baba spokesman. It's not a question of campaigning yobe ni gogo choru oko emerge. In that note omontura emerge ryokorora bono iga retired chief justice Omogaka David Kenani Maraga. You cannot question. I should go speak for the Gusiis. He speaks and and that is a very clean person. That is a person of authority, or a person with a very clear mind. Very fair, very bold, and that is the kind of person. I know within our midst in Gusii. Obono munoria can be our spokesman. Narigo kani abana ba minta bake mbako monyokere bintu ninje spokesman. Ngana nje tikambe spokesman. Engabuna na ino gochongeria reputation yo Omogaka buna Simeon, who has held that position amongst us. So in Chebuna Samwel Kenani Omwando no muchione nabagetutu nabagusii bali na saviri buna meya na tomero my condolences aso muchi Omogaka Simeon. We have really lost as a community. Lakini the death is inevitable. He's been around with us for 88 years. That's not bad time. Yasato moire tu abeire nere. Tiga asese ni muchioya.